how to fix YouTube error code 0. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix YouTube error code 0. So let's jump straight into it. So the first quick fix you can try for YouTube error code 0 is to connect through a VPN. I already have one installed, but if you don't, you can easily add any VPN as a browser extension. For example, I have Urban VPN proxy. Simply open it, connect to a different server location, and then try launching YouTube. Sometimes this alone can bypass the issue. If that doesn't solve it, move on to the next method. Open your preferred web browser and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, locate the third-party cookies section, and then click See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar provided, type YouTube and look for the Save Site Data. Once you find it, click the trash icon next to YouTube and confirm the deletion. This will clear any corrupted cookies or cache permissions that might be triggering the error. Next, head over to your browser's extensions menu and temporarily disable all extensions. Some add-ons, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with YouTube's playback and cause error messages. After turning them off, revisit YouTube to see if the issue is resolved. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.